My name is Kim Andersson. I work at the Stockholm Environment Institute. Here I'm leading our initiative on sustainable sanitation, which we launched about 2 years ago. My background is working with water management and sanitation, and a lot with focus on resource recovery, trying to get productive use of the different waste streams. For me, it's about looking at what we waste in the city, to try to get a feeling of what ends up in the environment, how is waste managed in the city, and especially sanitation waste from toilets. But I guess it's also for population not having toilets, and what happens to that fecal waste. No, so for me it's getting to know cities and often the malfunctional of sanitation in cities. So I think it's really important as a tool for people to understand better the need to make more investments in the field of sanitation. So in my opinion, the SFDs is something really needed to show that there is a problem in the cities with waste management, with especially sanitation waste management. There is a lack of sanitation access in cities, so actually fecal waste ends up in nature. So I think the SFDs really highlight that for decision makers and the public, and help with awareness. But at the same time, I have double feelings about it, because I think we also really need to show the solutions, to show that we can actually do something positive with this. So I like to look at the resources in that and see that we can do something productive. So I want to get to that step after the SFDs. I get to the solutions. At Stockholm Environment Institute, we have been actually motivated and based some of our work and research on the SFDs. So we have taken, based on some cases where in cities they have produced SFDs, and we have looked at those waste streams and see what are the resources in them, and see what are the resource recovery options, the energy that we can produce from those waste streams, and food production, improved water management, water saving. So making a tool actually to estimate and valuing resource management. I can talk about Dakar, where there's been a SFD analysis and production of diagrams, which we have been using actually for this resource recovery case. So we're building on the result to see actually how much is the value of the flows produced by the SFDs. So for example, for food production, we saw that it can actually, the nutrient content in all those, in all that shit flow could actually produce 200,000 tons of rice, which is 1/4 of the import for Senegal. And it's a really important number and this country, they really want to get sufficient when it comes to rice production. So actually could really help them with food security.